In this video, we're going over how to unlock your iPhone 13 Pro Max so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. And in the video today, I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone 13 Pro Max so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and go to keypad, and you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI. You'll need to write down that number right here. You'll need that for a later step in the process. We're going to then swipe up, and then go to Safari, and we're going to do a search for theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts when we get to the site. So first is select the manufacturer, which is Apple. Next, the model, which is the 13 Pro Max. And then we're going to tap Unlock Now. From here, we'll need to answer a few more questions. So select the country you purchased the phone in, along with the carrier, which in this case is going to be AT&T. Tap Next. And on the last page here, you'll need to enter some information. So first, the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video, you're going to enter it here, your full name, your delivery email, and a contact number. And before you hit order now, swipe up so you can see the final price. So normally it costs about $35 to have your phone unlocked. On here, it's only going to cost $20. You'll tap order now, check out, and then within 48 hours, you're going to get a confirmation email with their final instructions. Now, one important thing to note is that the process to unlock phones in general changes from time to time. So this is why they send you the final instructions via email, because I could show you one method right now, but by the time you watch the video, the process could have changed. So that's why I show you up until this step. And then once you submit your order, they're going to send you the final, most relevant steps. So very important. A couple things I want to point out about this site and the reason why I recommend it. They do offer a contact number to reach out to the company if you have any issues. There is a number you can text 24 hours a day as well to check up on the status of an order. And if you go back to the main page of the website, you'll see that they do offer a 100% money back guarantee in the event that they're not able to unlock your phone for some reason. So you have that trust knowing that if for whatever reason the process doesn't work, you can get your money back. Once you get the final instructions and you follow them and your phone is unlocked, you will need to take the SIM tool of your phone and pop out your SIM tray. If you don't have this, you can take a paper clip and open it up and use the end of the paper clip. You're just going to pop out the SIM tray by just putting this in and just pushing, giving it one good push to take out the SIM tray. And you will need to insert the SIM card of the new service you want to use. So it's an AT&T phone. I'd like to use it with T-Mobile. So I'm going to put in that T-Mobile SIM card, and then I'm going to restart the phone. And after that, your phone should be unlocked and ready for you to use with that new carrier. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.